in South Jerusalem, and I am in what can only be described as the Borough Market of Jerusalem, and it's a market, as you can see, and it's constructed in the old railway station that was the first railway station built by the Turks. The line was constructed between Jaffa and here in Jerusalem. When was it built, the station?
The station, that's from the Turkish time.
What time was that?
That was the end of the 19th century.
And that's the end of the 19th century. Okay, so it's just a very good use of what would have been the railway sidings.